We're inching closer to the tax filing deadline, and when you go to file, be sure to take advantage of deductions and tax credits that can bump up your refund. ABC's Alexis Christoforous has more.
If you're expecting a tax refund from the IRS, you'll want to get the highest refund possible. First, decide if you'll be itemizing or taking the standard deduction.
Almost everybody takes the standard deduction nowadays, and that's for a few reasons. One is that it's been bumped up. There's also that $10,000 cap on state and local taxes.
But let's say you donated to charity, or you have other items that you can deduct, like property taxes, that can push you over the standard deduction.
And don't miss out on tax credits that you're eligible for, like the earned income tax credit.
The IRS states that 1 out of 5 tax filers miss that credit. And for a family with 3 kids, it can be up to $7,430. So that's a lot of money.
The Savers Credit is another opportunity to save money.
That's a credit that you automatically get just for investing in your retirement.
If you have children, take advantage of the Child and Dependent Care Credit if your kids go to daycare or after-school programs.
One of my favorite tips here is that you can even claim things like summer day camp as a dependent care deduction, provided you and your spouse were going to work while the kids were at camp. But I think sometimes people wrongly assume that that wouldn't count.
And you can still contribute to your IRA up until the filing deadline.
So that's actually a really good way to accomplish 2 things. One would be to sock money away for retirement, and the other one would be to get a tax break while you're at it. So the standard limit there is $6,500 a year for IRA contributions. It bumps up to $7,500 a year if you're over age 50.
And one more tip for low-income individuals. Even if you don't make enough money to meet the IRS threshold requiring you to file, you might want to file anyway.
If you are under those thresholds, you may still be leaving money on the table, because if you've had any income withheld from your paychecks, and also if you're eligible for any credits, you may be getting a refund.
Alexis Christoforous, ABC News, New York.